Video. What are you doing, Boosh?
Stir. Making the gravy.
You're making the gravy. Say hi to Adam.
Just gotta get that.
Say hi to Adam.
Hello, my James, my sweetie James. I love you.
Yeah. Adam, I hate to do this to you, but oh, looks so good. Look, it's a heart shape. Come eat my stuffing. I am delicious. All right, say hi to Adam.
Hi, Adam. Cheers.
Cheers. Miss you. That's just cruel.
Is your stuff all done?
Let's see what else is going on here on Thanksgiving. Here's the table.
You gotta turn stuff off if it's done. Yeah, I think so.
Very nice table where we will be eating very soon. Let's go see what I think Dad's outside. No. Oh, here's Albuquerque on Thanksgiving. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice day out. A little chilly. There's me. Hey, brother. I miss you. Alright, let's find some more people.
What's that?
We're looking for more people here.
Okay, go in the living room. Yeah, the living
I gotta be on here. Hey guys, we're making a video for Adam. Say hello, Sarah.
Hello.
Hey, Mom. Want to say anything to your son?
Hi, my love. I'll talk to you later.
Alright. Oh, there's Dad. Dad's behind you. You just look like a creeper walking. Alright. Let's go find Dad.
Happy Thanksgiving, Adam.
Oh.
And anyway, he was telling me what kind of things.
Let's go try this again. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send a video to Adam. Okay. Tell him hello.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, Adam James. Wish you were here, but we'll see you soon. God bless you. Travel safely. Enjoy your life. I know you always do.
Ah.